In this video, we're going to talk about Shopify, and I'm going to share with you guys a live day trade that I took with my team in our Discord community, which is completely free. The link is in the description. What made me enter, why I exited, and how the contracts were worth nearly 50% after we sold them. So if you guys want to learn more, all of our resources are free over there. And if you want to follow all my trades, they're over there as well, completely for free for your first month. And this is one of them. So you can see here that basically we have been having a very good couple of days on the 1 minute, doing nothing but running. So the trend is our friend at this point. And what we're playing right now is a harmonic pattern known as a cipher. There's ciphers, bats, crabs, there's a ton of them. They're all played differently. The cipher is one that I really like to play, especially when we're in an uptrend. And you can see that we have this massive sell-off, which shows that this cipher is happening. We break through this, continue to fade, and this right here is not an entry. This is not something that I want. We can see here that the RSI is starting to get oversold, trading down around $25. And you can see that at this moment, we continue to move our way down. And what I'm looking for when it comes to my actual position is a close above the 11 SMA, which we have right here, and a close up above this ATR range. And you can see that I ended up trading this. I actually entered at 1038, but I ended up posting it to the team at 1040. Once we start to move in, this candle's at 1032. So this would have been your actual buy. I wanted to wait for confirmation. So we got this push up. I was waiting for the pullback. I'm waiting for the continued consolidation, and I entered right here at, so I'll enter here. This is a little worse fill than what we got, but just for the sake of paper trading this with you guys here, I want to show you guys what we were looking at. So now that we're continuing to push through, we've broken through this consolidation range. We're simply looking for a close below this 11 SMA to take our profit. Now, the reason I did not trail stop out of this position is because as we pulled down, I started to see the consolidation zone happen. So my stop loss here would be a break down around $58.92. So we sit back, we see the small break, but we end up recovering. Now we're waiting for the break above 59. Break above 59 happens. Now we're going to run our 11 SMA still as our trailing stop loss. 1 close below, 2 close below, but we have this consolidation. So we're still holding on. Our stop would have been $59. This is honestly here, if I wasn't running a trailing stop, I would have taken my profits here. And the reason for this is we're starting to get a divergence. So as we're making higher highs, the RSI is actually making a lower high. It does not mean that it has to reject. Obviously, it doesn't. It just means that this movement is starting to weaken. So now that we continue to push up, this is where I actually closed out and flattened my position, because now the RSI is in very overbought territory. But still, you really would not have closed out if you're following our actual rules, which sometimes I don't always follow. You would not have closed out of this position until we actually broke and held 2 times below without a consolidation level. We would still be in. Here's the consolidation. That would have been a close. So this for sure would have been a close because we closed under the consolidation level and we're trending under the 11 SMA. And what's funny is, look, right, even fast forward here, we see the consolidation. This could actually be our second entry. We're trading up over the 11 SMA. We would set a stop loss down here, and you can see that we would have almost tagged out at 59.42. So we'd still run a stop loss here on a lower low. We would have tagged out. So overall, this is how I like to play. This continued upside there is where our second entry would have been, our third entry, 59.39. And now you can see if we would continue to make that move up to $60, which I stopped trading. I don't know if we actually did move our way back up to $60, but we did have this flag that was forming here. Yeah, and we didn't quite get up there. So I hope this video helped, guys. I really want to focus a lot of my time to share with you guys how I like to day trade, because it seems that a lot of people are interested. Look, we did actually hit $60 going into close. And the other thing too, a lot of people are actually searching about day trading on the internet now, specifically on Google Trends. So I want to put more content out to help you guys with this. Go check out our Discord. Thanks for all the support. I'll see you next time. Peace.